Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. Which one of the following is the largest source of natural energy to human? Your right answer is sun. Who is the newly appointed Foreign Secretary of India to took charge in yearly 2018? Your right answer is Vijay Keshav Gokhale. Which team won the 2016 Champion Trophy Women's Hockey Tournament defeating Netherlands in the final in London? Your right answer is Argentina. Which Indian actor biography is titled Anything But Khamos? Your right answer is Shatrugna Sinha. The Indira Point, the southern point of India, is situated in the dash tip of Great Nicobar Island. Your right answer is southern. The motile germ cell is called a. Your right answer is male gamete. Aluminium oxide is dash in nature. Your right answer is amphoteric. The egg is carried from ovary to the womb through. Your right answer is the oviduct. Which one of the following is commonly used as an indicator to measure the exact pH? Your right answer is universal indicator. What is the atomicity of phosphorus? Your right answer is tetraatomic. Which of the following metal is a liquid at room temperature? Your right answer is mercury. This is wrong. Sodium, this is wrong. Mercury, your right answer. If asked non-metal, your right answer is bromine. If asked metal, your right answer is mercury. Dwarfness can be controlled by treating plant with. Your right answer is gibberellic acid. R. Ashwin of India became the quickest bowler to reach 300 test wicket in just 54 tests. Where was this historic test played? Your right answer is Nagpur. The Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize is annually awarded for outstanding achievement in which area? Your right answer is science and technology. The acceleration due to gravity at the surface of the earth is proportional to. Your right answer is m by r square. Which of the following classification is based on atomic number? Your right answer is periodic table, modern periodic table. Metals can be given different shape according to their needs because they possess the property of. Your right answer is ductility and malleability. Non-metallic character increase from dash. Your right answer is sodium to chlorine. Who is the first female and the first ever Asian to become the chief human resource officer of the global giant Unilever? She is incidentally an Indian. Your right answer is Lina Nair. The tallest peak of which of the following mountain range is a mountain called Guru Shikhar? Your right answer is Aravalli range. Kinetic energy equal to. Your right answer is half mv square. CO plus S2 gives rise to Cu plus S2O. This equation is an example of. Your right answer is redox equation. Name the vitamin whose deficiency causes excessive bleeding. Your right answer is vitamin K. Which of the following is not a renewable source of energy? Your right answer is energy from fossil. The universal constant of gravitation is your dash. Your right answer is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Ramnath Kovind, the Indian president as of February 2018, hail from which state? Your right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which Kannada writer received the Sahitya Akademi Award for his novel Swatantrada Ota Your right answer is Bolwar Mohammad Kuni. Lime water turn milky when carbon dioxide is passed through it. It is due to the formation of. Your right answer is calcium carbonate. What is the basic unit of classification in taxonomy? Your right answer is species. Who has recently taken charge as the new CEO of Indian e-commerce giant Flipkart? Your right answer is Kalyan Krishnamurthy. The SI unit of weight is. Your right answer is Newton. Atomic number of nitrogen is 14 and that of hydrogen is 1. What will be the molecular mass of ammonia? Your right answer is 17. As of February 2018, who won the Delhi based IPL team? Delhi Daredevils. Your right answer is GMR Group. If you take a small amount of washing soda and add approximately 1 milliliter of dilute hydrochloric acid to it, what will be observed? You observe carbon dioxide gas comes out with brisk effervescence. Iron, which resembles cobalt and nickel in proportion, has been placed far away from these elements. This was one of the limitations of. Your right answer is Newton's law of octaves. Which of the following reproduce both sexual as well as asexual? Your right answer is Hydra. As of February 2018, which famous Bollywood actor has been named as the brand ambassador of Resurgent Rajasthan, a state government campaign? Your right answer is Irfan Khan. Before Champaran Satyagraha, the farmer of Champaran used to follow the Panchatiya system, whereby 5 kathas in a vidha had to be planted with. Your right answer is indigo. Which team created history by winning of Ranji Trophy for the first time in January 2018? Your right answer is Vidarbha. Dash is not an allotrope of carbon. Your right answer is carbon dioxide. Alone is related to unaccompanied in the same way as amount is related to. Your right answer is quantity. What will be the force of attraction between two bodies weighing 20 kg and 50 kg respectively with a distance of 2 meter between them? Your right answer is 166.75 into 10 to the power minus 10 Newton. Metal oxide which react with acid as well as base are called. Your right answer is amphoteric oxide. Which Indian Chief Minister was awarded the Transformative Chief Minister Award by US India Business Council in 2017? Your right answer is Chandrababu Naidu. Which Indian won the 2017 French Open Super Series tournament? Your right answer is Srikanth Kidambi. Who among the following was not one of the 9 gems of Emperor Akbar court? Your right answer is Osman Ali Khan. Which permanent tissue makes a plant hard and stiff? Your right answer is sclerenchyma. The energy stored in a dry cell is in the form of. Your right answer is chemical energy. The pH value increase from 7 to 14 represent a. Your right answer is OH minus increase in OH minus ion concentration. What enables an electric current to flow in a circuit? Your right answer is the motion of electrons. This is our last questions of today class. 1 watt is equal to dash. Your right answer is 1 joule per second. I hope you like this section. If you hard work, then everything is possible. If you do not hard work, then nothing is possible in the universe. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.